How to calculate compound interest. Using a financial calculator like a compound interest calculator or savings calculator makes it easier for you to manage your finances. Compounding interest can be very effective over longer durations. Why is compound interest important? The idea is that when money is left to grow on its own, it will do so at a rate that is faster than the original interest rate. This is because the interest rate is also added to the principal, and the interest is then applied to the new principal, which then earns interest and so on. How does compound interest work? Compound interest can be described as interest on interest. It is the concept of calculating interest on both the principal investment and previous interest. The concept of compound interest is very important in finance and economics. Where is compound interest used? It is often used in stocks, bonds, securities, and high-interest savings accounts. It is the process of earning interest on money that has already been earning interest. Compound interest is a useful tool that widely used in modern financial institutions. It is an important factor that we need to consider in order to make the most out of our money. Is the interest calculated on a monthly or yearly basis? For most people, compounding interest is normally calculated on a monthly basis. However, this is not always the case. There are some situations in which the interest may be calculated on a different interval. Banks and credit unions may set the compound at quarterly or even semi-annually, but monthly is the default for most institutions. Now the question is, how do we calculate compound interest? Actually, there are a lot of different ways on how to compute compound interest, either manually or by using a computer. The easiest way is to use an online compound interest calculator like the one at calculatorssuite.com. It is completely free and makes it easy to plan your financial goals.